This changes everything.
Witness the dawn of a new intelligence, where code creates the future.
Generating presentation build. Optimizing layout and data visualization. Welcome to the future of data. Our new AI platform generates insights instantly. As you can see, efficiency has doubled. This enables faster decisions and better results. Welcome, where data becomes actionable. Our AI-driven platform crafts, empowering your team to lead with confidence. Let us transform your vision today. That's incredible. It's generating in real time. All right, please summarize this entire document for me. Map the core neural pathways. We must connect all these key data points. Now I get it. Imagine an app that tracks your carbon footprint in real time and gives you micro-challenges to reduce it. Yes, that is exactly what I mean. Wow, that looks absolute.
All right, let's see what you've built. Time to go live. Time to go live. Now, change the lighting to a bright, sun-drenched afternoon.
For this type of AI tool, subscribe to Gyan AI and press the bell icon.